It's Good Friday, March the 30th. It was a terrible storm last night. My tent took a licking. I had to do something with a couple of doors during the night, but I didn't get wet much. Man, the wind was powerful, and thunder, lightning, rained and rained and rained. Heavy. This is what it's like in the morning. You gotta get this stuff. I'll show you this way. Getting the tent down now is the last thing, of course. While it's raining, you're wet, trying to get the stuff in. So anyway, we did great yesterday. As you know, probably service was not here. So it was, we went over 13 miles, and today if we can get about 16 or 17, we'll be on schedule. We want to average at 15 miles a day to get out of here in 7 nights. But it's tough when you start off all those nights being wet the very first day. But this is normal. I haven't seen a good camping night yet. None whatsoever. So anyway, that's it. We're going to be on our way. You guys have a great day. Goodbye. We had a climb coming up from camp. This is just the way it looks so far. Very muddy, of course. That's where it came from. Might's coming up. Headed this way. I'm sure there's beautiful views here. To give you an idea of what it looks like. Oh well. Not much to see here. Just part of the process. Hopefully we can get over 17 miles a day. Really need to. Later. We've gone about 4 miles so far. I'm not picking and choosing this. It's been raining so hard. It's rained the whole time that I finally get to take it out. This is what we face. It's muddy the whole way. You can't get around it. It's just the way it is. Life on the AT. And actually this is one of our better spots. So many times I wanted to put it on and just afraid I'd fall. Don't want to fall in that mud. It's very slippery, and see Mike with I think it's his new Sleet pad, neon yellow. Oh, yeah, we'll this time you get to go up in the grass. Skip it. Even with the rain stopped a little bit right now, of course water coming off the trees. Looks like I'm gonna get a little break. I gotta adjust my backpack. Oh, no views today. Can't see anything. Yep. Later. We're 5422 on top of, well, not top. We still got a little ways to go. Thunderhead Mountain goes over 55. We're betting this is a great view. We have worked today. Rain all day, wind, mud. Yeah, we stop here for a little bit, we'll probably start getting cold. We're guessing we're gonna go that way behind
For my kids, it's hard to tell which way, but I think it's that way. Anyway, we're 5 miles away from the shelter we'll probably end up staying, and it's this has been grueling, and so we probably won't get that, more than likely won't get that 17 miles, but we'll still get 12 or 13, I think. Anything to say, Mike?
Don't do this alone, kids.
Okay.
We saw a young lady that's left on the trail this morning. She was in bad shape, and she was about 4 or 5 miles from anything. So
Yeah.
take somebody with you that stays with you.
She was crying and talking to her boyfriend. We offered to help, and we know it's a tough situation for her, because who are we, you know? So tried to assure her we were going to hike with her, but we feel for her really bad. So anyway, I got to adjust my straps again on the backpack, and we'll be on our way. Right now I'm 55:19. Oh. I don't know how long I'll keep this on. And that's where it's looked all day. So there's a lot of water sitting in it too. Just want to get some shots. This is what a day. Now we still haven't had a night in the Smokies where weather was a problem. I say Smokies, the whole trail. Yeah, you hear the sloshing. That's what we hear all day we've been hiking. Somebody's coming by. I'll let him by. Hello. You can hear just how it slashes as we walk. This is the way it looks. I try not to slip down. Mike is behind me. I think he's adjusting his backpack. We've just gotten done with the climb. It's pretty rough, you know, your feet sticking in the mud and slipping, and your poles try to stay in there. Wow, no wind right here. Well, I'm going to need some skills to get down the rest of the way. So later, hopefully the sun will come through.
Crazy stuff, isn't it?
There's Mike coming through. Go ahead, bye. So let you know, the trail is the stream.
It's crazy.
It's been all since I turned it on. Turned it off back there. So this is
the trail, the stream.
Oh. Well, we got a water source. This is a trail.
You're walking on the water source. Oh, Lord help us. What have we done?
Yeah. Phone is starting to act up or something. Anyway, there you go there. I'm trying to walk up here on the side of it. No choice here. Oh my. Oh. Well, we've been facing this pretty much all day. Just now that the rain has stopped, I'm able to show you some of this. Oh, man.
Oh, no. I tell you, that rock's not stable at all, bud. Not stable at all.
Oh. All right. You guys get the point. I gotta concentrate on this. All this rain and stuff we've been going through, and it's clear that way. We probably could have been seeing a lot of that if it wasn't for all the clouds. Yeah. We just climbed upstream. Water coming down against us, and we were climbing upstream. Climbing was hard enough. We had to fight water too. Great day. I gotta be careful. It's mud is slick, of course. I'm on the edge. Let's see if I can get one more shot of this so I can concentrate on continuing on.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Okay.
That makes it better.
Yeah. All right.
Better now.
Yeah, it's okay. All right.
Oh.
Yeah, we got some more mountains to climb. Let's see if we got one more little spot here. It's a little clear. Oh well. That's it for a while. More up.
And then down.
Okay, that rain has now changed to Sleet. Oh man. This is all Sleet coming down. We're still over 2 miles from the shelter. Ah. Mike was about to take his coat off. I said, hey man, feels like moisture's coming in. And he waited. Good thing, because here we are. Ah, man. And tonight would be the second night in the Smokies of 7 or 8. I guess the one with nature happens much later. But anyway, that's my little rant for now. I need to get my hand warm.